What do you think? What do you think, man? I think there's more beautiful thing that's coming out for Trixie, Trixie. I think there's so much beautiful thing, even though I cannot articulate what is it, you know. And I think there are more things. I'm glad that she's still happy in a relationship with Bravo B, and they're doing pretty good. And I just hope all the best for her. Yeah, man. I just decided to do these videos, and I hope you're going to enjoy to watch these memories.
I don't wanna be friends. I